Effective marketing isn't just about driving the initial engagement that leads to a conversion. It's about maintaining that engagement over time. You might get someone to register for your event, but if they don't actually show up, then what was the point? Retention campaigns are a great way to stay top of mind and reduce attrition. For example, say your association is struggling with retaining members. In that case, you'd want to retarget them with ads reminding them about why they joined in the first place. If that's training and education, your ad should inspire members to sign up for online courses, and it's best to create a sense of urgency. For example, include an enrollment deadline. And make sure the ads lead to a page where people can easily view and select classes. Want to highlight networking opportunities? Retarget members with information about upcoming events or meetings. Or, to promote certifications, remind members of the steps they should be taking to stay current in their field. A healthy dose of peer pressure in your messaging can go a long way. Free events are another great use case for retention campaigns. If you run an event that is free to attend, you probably know that feeling of disappointment when half of the people who registered don't end up coming. Some dropout is bound to happen, that's just how things go. But there's a lot you can do to reduce it. Event feature campaigns are one way. If you have an awesome speaker lined up or a special after party, make sure people know about it. Target your registrants with exciting updates leading up to the event to instill a sense of FOMO and boost the chances they'll actually show up. In case you didn't know, FOMO means fear of missing out. You can also target registrants with special deals on nearby hotels or entertainment. Registering for a free event doesn't mean someone will turn up the day of, but if you can get them to book their stay, that's a pretty good guarantee they'll be there. The bottom line is, if you spend all your energy driving new leads, you can actually end up neglecting the people who've already bought into what you have to offer. Keeping them engaged and excited is just as important as anything else, and retention campaigns are a great way to do it.